Now we are going to perform wheel alignment. Here, I have sensor to be installed on this wheel. It has to be installed vertically, like that. And you have to be sure that it holds well, so that it cannot fall down. Then you put this safety pin. I connect it to the cables. Then I switch on it. This process should be done on all wheels, on all 4 wheels. You do in the same way. You connect all sensors. Each wheel has its own sensor. You have to install 4 sensors. Then we shift to the machine so that we can start the process of aligning. I start wheel alignment. Wheel aligner. I go to start here. Then I go to startup. As you see, there are other icons, but I use this startup. The next step, I choose the type of the car. Our car is the Hyundai Sonata. Hyundai Sonata. I look for it. Hyundai is here. Hyundai. Then I come here. I look for Sonata. Sonata. This one. No, as this one is made in 2004, I will use this Sonata. You have to check also the manufacturing year, 2004. Then I go to the next here, next. Then I fill this datas, customer name. I write IPRC Kigali, phone number. Let me write mine, vehicle plate number, mileage. Mileage is written on dashboard. It is 198780. 198780. Address, I write Kicukiro. Memo is wheel alignment. After filling the data into the machine, we go to the next step. Here, the machine will calculate run out. Now I am going to rotate wheels so that the machine can calculate this run out. I'm going to remove first these covers. This. Then I check if my turntable is in the center of the wheel. On both sides, right and left. Then I'm going to turn the wheel, the whole, only one turn. 360 degree. I turn 180 like that, a half of a turn. I put the sensor on level. I level the sensor. When the sensor is leveled, I see the middle light becomes green. Then I push OK button. I release again this, then I turn again a half turn. I level again the sensor until the middle light green light. Then I push OK. I go to the other wheel. Okay, now I'm going to turn this wheel 180 degree. Like that. Then I rock my sensor. I level it. When it is leveled, the middle light will light green. Green. Then I push OK button. I turn again 180 degree. I lock the sensor. Then I level it until the middle light green. Then I push OK button. This process will continue 2 other wheels. As you see here, the machine displayed the run out on 4 wheels. This is run out for the front left wheel. This is for the rear left, front right, rear right. The number written inside are worn out. Those are millimeters. If we say run out, as the wheel is rotating, run out, it is the distance the wheel do going out or in. Out or in when it is rotating. This is called run out. This can be caused by the worn bearing. If the play is bigger, the run out will be also bigger. If it is smaller, run out will be smaller. Then we go to the next step. As you see, the machine is recommending us to turn over the car with brake pedal locked. It means I'm going to lift down the vehicle, but before lifting down, I lock brake pedal. It is what I'm going to do inside. Using this brake pedal depressor, I will use this. Before locking brake, I start the car so that brake can work properly. Then I position my brake pedal holder or brake pedal depressor. I lock it on the driver's seat. You see? It should be well positioned. As you see, it is now strong. It cannot be removed itself. Then switch off. Then we get out again. The following step is to turn over the car with brake pedal lock. I'm going to rise down, to lift down the car. We are now here. Adjust the suspension, shaking the vehicle vertically. Now I'm going to shake the vehicle to free the suspension up and down. You do this in front and at the rear. Now I'm going to shake the rear side. Now the next step is level and lock the wheel unit. I'm going to level this sensor, then I lock it. To level, you position the sensor until the middle light green lamp. Then I lock here. I do this on all sensors. The next step, we are going to swing the wheels according to the direction indicated here on the screen. As you see on the screen, arrow is going to the left. Now I turn the wheel until that ring goes inside like that. Then I follow the arrow again. Now I turn right. This is possible because of that turntable. Now, as you see, the machine displays the data which are inside the vehicle. Now you can know how much is tow, how much is caster, how much is camber. Everything is there. Now our tow is minus 0 degree and 11 minutes. When the value is in red, that angle is not good. It has to be readjusted. When it is green, it is okay. It's good. Here we have to adjust tow. As it is green. This is for the left side, left wheel. This is for right wheel. Both are 40. They are to be corrected. Now we are going to adjust this angle until it will become green like the other values here. Let us go to the next. This is real adjust. Then I'm going now to lock steering wheel using steering wheel steady. Steering wheel steady is this one. I'm going to lock the steering wheel. Before you perform adjustment, wheel alignment adjustment, you have to lock the steering wheel. You straight it. You have to be on driver seat. Then you straight the wheel until you can see where the dashboard. Then you install the steering wheel steady. You push down, then you leave it. You let it. It must be straight, well positioned. Then you go to adjust to the wheel. Now we are going to lift up the vehicle so that we can perform adjustment. You lift up until the adjustment will be accessible. Okay, this is enough. First, I have to know the spanner to be used. Then I pick them, then I perform adjustment. Okay, I'm going to adjust that camber until it will become green. These upper numbers, left and right, I will adjust here until they become green. First, I release the nut, the locking nut, this. Then I turn this tie rod. When I'm turning, I check if the number is increasing or it is decreasing. As you see, the left side, the number is decreasing. I will continue. Arriving here, I lock the nut. Now that side is okay. I go to other side. I release the lock nut. Then I turn tie rod. Then I lock nut. As you have seen at the start, our wheel angles were in red color. But now, as you see on the screen, our angles become green. This means our angles have been well adjusted. So the process of wheel alignment is well performed and is at its end. Now, we are sure that our vehicle is in good condition now, and it can be driven without pulling because our angles are well adjusted, referring to the specifications. Now our lesson stops here. We will see next time.